So today I'm going to teach you guys how to add an animation to your piece of clip art. So first things first, you go to add, you're going to wave it over clip art, and then just click on clip art. For this demonstration I'm going to use the Idea Light. And then you can position it wherever you want by dragging it. You can resize it by pulling a corner or any of these parts of the square. If you notice, when I click on the light bulb, it automatically brings up a clip art menu. If I'm not in the square of the clip art, then it doesn't have a menu, like it takes it away. So click on that. You're going to go to animations. Then you're going to click on, for this one we're just going to do expand in. There's 10 different options we can use. For duration we're going to choose 5,000, which just means that it's going to take up a longer amount of time to come in. So it's already saved once we tell it what we want. It's already remembered that that's what we want. So preview and expand it in. So back to edit. Then we can add other effects or animations, sorry. So I'm going to choose rotate in. And it only goes to a duration of 3,500. So we're going to test that out. Go back to preview. And then there it is. And you'll notice that it did a quick choppy move because the rotating ended at 3,500 of a duration versus the expanding came in at 5,000 of a duration. So if you would like to change the duration period of expanding, you can click back on edit, click on our light bulb, go to animations again. Then to tell it that you want to edit a certain animation, you're going to click this plus sign and it's going to check this one. So I'm just going to highlight the numbers 5,000 and tell it to do 3,500 like our other piece of animation. So click outside of it, preview, and it's rotating and expanding at that 3,500. So it's a little smoother, not as choppy. So go back to edit. We can also add other animations to the two of those. For instance, what about choosing an entry point? So entry spot, we can tell it to choose, let's just do this corner. And we're going to tell it to do 3,500 as well. And do you want it to bounce? Yeah, let's tell it to bounce. So we click out of those and go to preview. It's coming from our entry point, expanding at the same time it's rotating, and then goes back to our entry point. So if you're not a fan of entry point, you can just go back to clicking on the clip art, go back to animations, and X on entry point, and it takes it away automatically. So go back to preview. It's rotating at the same time it's expanding. So there you have just the two of those animations. And that is how you add an animation to your piece of clip art.